what will be uh, what will be the name of three sides? The big
Sir,
one, yes.
sir,
Hypotenuse.
can you solve two or three questions from the graph problem, the practice sheet you give
Hmm,
us?
hmm.
From that, question number one,
Hmm.
can you solve one or two maths? Masound, come on.
I can. I mean, if you have problem, then I can do that. So, what is the problem actually? Tell me which part is your problem. Which part you cannot solve? Let me know first.
Okay, sir.
We'll just write the
Equation.
mathematical form equation. Yes. So this type of questions actually we discussed earlier, and you can do it very easily, very simple way, normal way. How? So what do you understand by that? Sum means addition. Sum of double of a number. So double of a number means 2x. Maybe x is the number, so you are writing double of a number, so it is 2x, right? And
Yes, sir.
triple of another. So what is another number? You know the other number? No. So you do not know the other number, so that will be y. And triple means what? 3. Triple means 3 of this thing. So 3, 2x plus 3y. Clear or not clear?
Yes, sir.
Then it is equal to what? It is equal to what? You tell me what?
50 more.
50. 15
50,
more, 50 more than first number.
50 more first number, so x plus 50.
Okay, sir.
So that's it, finish, done. You do not need to find out what is x, what is y. That is not the question. Question is just write the equation. So this is the equation, done. So tell me
Sir,
what is the other one?
sir, the other one is mother's age plus her.
One, then what? One, then 6.
No, sir. It is mother's age.
No, question number, what is the
Two.
number?
Two, sir.
2. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, fine. So mother's age.
Plus her son's age, who
Okay.
is actually one third of her age.
Plus her son's age, who
Who is
is
one third?
actually one third of uh, her age, and and
Sir, finish, sir.
oh, finish. Okay. So this will not be an equation actually. It is just an expression. No matter, no problem. So we can do this. So what is that? Mother's age. You do not know mother's age. So let us think it is x. Okay, mother's age may be x. So you think this is x. Fine. Then plus. Plus means plus. Simple plus. Plus her son's age. Now the question is, what will be the son's age? So do you put y? Do you put y?
No, sir.
No,
I
sir.
tried it.
One.
Sir, I tried it as I considered mother's age as 3x and her son age as 1 by 3 into 3x. So that
Okay.
comes x.
Okay. So good. So mother's age is 3x and son's age is only x. So mother's age plus her son's
So, sir,
age.
it came sum of their age is equal to 4x. Is it
No,
okay, sir?
what is coming? Is it given in the question? Is equal to blah
No,
blah
sir.
blah. So
No, sir.
there is nothing given, so you can just write it down here and then that's all. So you can you can write it like 4x, but it is not required, it is not
Okay.
mandatory. If you write, fine, but it's not needed, it is not given in the question. So you will just write the expression what is given in the question
Sir,
and then
another thing.
finish. Okay.
Should I, as I am considering 3x as mother's age and 1 by 3 into 3x, should I write that or just 3x plus x?
It is fine. This is also fine. If you write 3x then plus 3x by 3, this is also fine. Okay. If you show this, then it is better so that everyone will understand, okay, you are doing it consciously. If you
Okay,
write it like x, then plus x by 3, that is also fine. It's also good. No problem.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
That's all.
Okay,
So these
thank
are
you.
the simple things actually. Let us go back to trigonometry now. Okay, so in the trigonometry there is one right angle triangle, and the right angle triangle is uh, the triangle which will have one 90-degree angle, right? Only one 90-degree angle. So I am now giving two triangles here. One is uh, the left side, and it is angle is given as x, and here the angle is given as y. Okay. So now you tell me, if I write sine x, then what you will write? If you know that this is 3 centimeter, it is 4 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. You already know the thing. And here it is, say, 5 inches, and it is uh, 5 and then what? 8. Um, Let me just do a little calculation. 5, 12. Okay, so it's fine. It is, one side is 5, another side is 12 inches, and the other side is 13 inches. Okay, so you have three sides like that. So now for the left side triangle, if I write sin x, then what you will write? What by what?
Sir, 4 divided by
Which
5.
4 divided by 5. So it is actually correct. So do you agree with this? Do you understand? I already told you that Sokatoa, so means SOH, and Ka means CAH, and then Toa, so TOA. So Sokatoa means sine opposite by hypotenuse, and Ka means cos adjacent by hypotenuse, and Toa means tan opposite by adjacent. So you just memorize this. Okay, this will be helpful. So if you know this, if it is in your brain, then you understand what is sin x. Sin x means opposite by hypotenuse. So you need to know which side is opposite. So opposite to x angle, that will be opposite. Opposite to x angle, that will be opposite. So in this case, opposite is given as 4 centimeter. So this is how you get it, 4. And adjacent is 3 centimeter here, and the uh, hypotenuse is hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. So in the left side triangle, This is the situation. So sin x will be 4 by 5. Is that okay? Do you understand this? Everyone is okay with
Yes,
this?
sir.
Now tell me what will be cos x?
Sir, 3 divided by 5.
3 divided by 5. So it is actually according to formula cos x means adjacent by hypotenuse. So 3 divided 5, 3 divided by 5, it is correct. And what is 10x? What is
Sir,
10x?
4 divided by 3.
4 divided by 3. This is also correct. This is also correct. Okay. So these are the situation in the left side. Now let me know about the right side situation. What is sin y in this case? What is sin y? What will be cos y? What will be tan y?
Sir, sin xy is equal to 5 divided by 12 and cos y is equal to 13 divided by 12 and 10 is equal to 5 divided by 13.
Okay, sin y will be, what did you say? Sin y will be, or anyone else try.
Sir, 5 divided by 12.
5 divided by 12. So this is your answer. Let me get the answer from somebody else. Anyone else? You also try. I mean, not only one person, not only uh, who was saying Sharmin Shila
Sir,
or,
Sharmin City.
or Siti was saying. Okay, fine. So anyone else? Let me have the answer from other people. What do you think? What will be sin y?
So 5 divided 12.
So
You
12
were
Sir,
saying
divided by
may I?
no, no. You
So
were saying the
30
same
divided.
thing.
Okay, okay.
You if you say the same thing like Sriti, then it's all right. If you think that your answer is different, then tell me your answer. Nipa, yes.
Sir, I think 30 divided by 12.
13
Sir, it
divided
will
by
be
12.
12 by 13.
Sorry, sir, 12 by 13.
12 by 13. Okay. So, so now let me tell you the correct answer. It is actually 12 by 13. This is the correct answer. So why 12 by 13? You apply the same formula. So katua, you apply the same pattern. So
Yes, sir.
in this case, opposite is opposite to the y angle. Opposite is opposite to the y angle. So opposite to the y angle, opposite to the y angle is what? Is 12. And opposite to the 90-degree angle, that is the hypotenuse. So 12 divided by hypotenuse means 13. This is sin y. Now think about cos y. What is cos y?
Sir, 5 divided by 12.
5 divided by 12, hypotenuse is 12. No,
No, sir, 13.
Sorry, sir, 30.
13. Okay. So you will write, yes, cos y will be 5 divided by 13 because adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. What about Naim? Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
So tell me what is 10y?
Sir,
So
it will
12
be
divided by
12
5.
by
12 divided by 5.
Divided
It
by
is
5.
correct. 12 divided. What? Not clear or what?
Sir, clear.
Clear. Okay. So it is 12 divided by 5. It is correct. So when I give you 3, 4, 5, so do you think it is correctly given or just random number? I have given just random number, or it is correctly given? I mean, this is 3, this is 5, and this is 4. Do you think I calculated this thing? I thought about the numbers, or just I put some numbers as I wish? How can you check this? Do you think 5 and 12 and 13 are just the random numbers, or there is a calculation? How can you check this, whether this is correct or not? Is there any way so that you can check?
Sir, using Pythagoras method.
Exactly. So using Pythagoras theorem, you can check whether the numbers are correct or not. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is the square of hypotenuse. Square of hypotenuse. That means 5 square. And square of other two numbers. That means 3 square and 4 square. You add together, that will be the 5 square. So you can just check. You can check if it is really working or not. So what is 3 square? It is 9. What is 4 square? It is 16. So what will be the plus? That means 3 square plus 4 square. So it will be 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 means 25. So 25 means 5 square. So it is the
5
hypotenuse square. So it is working fine. So this is correct. And about this, the second one, again the same way, 5 square plus 12 square. So what is 5 square? 25. What is 12 square? 144. So
144.
yes. So what is the summation? What is the add? 169. 169. So what is the 169? Is it 13 square?
13.
So it is 13 square. So
Yes, sir. 13 square.
this is also correct. So when I give question, when I give you the numbers, I cannot just put any number I like. No, it should be, because it is the side of right angle triangle. So there should be logically correct, right? So this is the thing. Now, why I am telling this? Why I am telling this? I am telling this because in the triangle, if you have two sides, then you can find out the other side, isn't it? Is it possible? If you have two sides, then you can find out the third side by using Pythagoras theorem. Do you understand my point?
Yes, sir.
So in the exam, if I give you two sides, then you will find out the other side if it is not given and it is necessary. So you will find it out. Is there any problem? Say I am not giving you 12. Okay. I am giving you, this is 5 inches, this is 13 inches, and I am asking for the sine y thing. I am asking you to find out sine y. Then what you will do? This is the triangle given, one side is 5, one side is 13, and I am asking to find out what is sine y.
At first, sir, we do Pythagoras
Yes,
formula, then we find.
exactly. So this is what I want. This is what is the point. This is the thing I am discussing now. So in this case, you see that your sine y will be opposite divided by hypotenuse. So your sine y is Opposite divided by hypotenuse. This is the formula. But you do not have opposite divided by hypotenuse. So in this case, if you have the name of the triangle, if you have name like ABC, okay, these are the three corners. So what will be opposite? Opposite means AC. And what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse means BC. So if you do not know AC, then you will find out, okay, because there is no other option. You have to find it out. So you will write uh, from the Pythagoras theorem. What is the theorem actually? The theorem is BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. So the hypotenuse will be in one side and other two sides will be summation. So hypotenuse is already known. So you write 13 square, then you write AB square. This is also known to you. And you write AC square. It is not known. So now in the next line you will write 169 because 13 square is this, and minus 25 because 5 square is 25. It is going to the other side, and then AC square. And then in the next line you can write, okay, AC square is 169,
144.
144. So when you have AC square is 144, in the next line you will write AC is equal to root over 144. Okay, so root over 144 means only AC. AC square means 144. AC means root over 144, and it is actually 12, right? Is that okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
now you put this value. Now you have AC value. So you put this value here. So you will write, okay, therefore sine y equal to 12 by 13, because we now have AC equal to 12 and BC is the hypotenuse. This is already given. So this is the answer. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So everyone, what about other person? Not only Sharmin Siti. What about other person? Do you understand this or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you have calculator now, if you have calculator, then find out what is, I mean, 4 by 5. What is 4 by 5 for this case? Oh, okay. So let me just keep this triangle. Let me keep this triangle for some time so that you can understand about the angle also. So if you have calculator, you find out what is 4 by 5. Now I am talking about this
Sir,
calculation.
it will be
It will be 0.8, right? 0.8. So 0.8 is the sin x value. Now I want to find x value. That is, x value means what? X value means the angle. X is what? X is the angle. So if you have sin x equal to 0.8, in the next line you can write, x equal to sine will be in the other side. So in the other side means you will write sine inverse. It is called what? It is called sine inverse. Inverse we write to the power minus 1. So to the power minus 1 means inverse. So we will write it like sine inverse 0.8. So sine inverse 0.8 will be the x value. So if you find it out, there will be something angle, something degree. So can you find it out from your calculator?
Sir, 53 degree. 53.13 degree.
53.13 degree. So what about other persons? Do you find it the same answer? 53.13 degree. Do you find the same answer?
Yes, sir.
So you now check the angle. You now check the figure. So is this okay? Is this the same angle, same answer? What do you think? Do you think it can be 53 degree possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is
Yes,
possible.
sir.
Yes,
Possible, sir.
yes. So this one is 90 degree and one angle is 53 degree. Another one is less than 53. So what will be this angle, the third angle? Because altogether 180 degree, right?
37.
37. So if it is 53 degree,
সামনে দে
then
আমার
it will be 37. So how you say this? Because
তো বন্ধুরা
53 degree plus 90 degree plus this angle. Say it is k, then plus k equal to 180 degree. This is the law. This is the fact about a triangle, right? So you can easily find out what is the third angle. So it is not a problem, right? Isn't it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
37.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what about cos x? What about cos x? Will it be different answer? If you find out the x angle from cos x, then should it be different or should it be same? What do you think?
Sir, it would be different.
So check this. 3 by 5. 3 by 5 means what? 0.6. So x is equal to cos inverse 0.6.
Same answer.
What answer you are getting?
Sir, same answer. 53.13 degree.
So what about Gulam Rabbani? Do you find the same answer?
Yes, sir. Same answer.
It has to be. It has to be because this is the same x. This is the same x. X is this angle. So sometimes it will be 53, sometimes 54, sometimes 43. No, it will be always because we are doing the calculation from one triangle, same triangle. So it will be always the same answer. If you check the 10x equal to 4 by 3, again the same answer will come. This is
Yes, sir. It
also
will be
same.
same answer, sir.
Yes. So what about this now? Now let us talk about this. The sine y equal to 12 by 13. Now let us talk about this. So what will happen?
Sir, 0.92.
Sine y equal to 12 by 13. 12 by 13 means 0. What?
92, sir.
92. Okay, then what
Yes,
will
sir.
be y? What will be y? Sine inverse.
66.9.
Sine inverse 0.92, so it will be 66.9, so 67 degree. Okay, so this is different. This is different because the triangle is different, because the sides are different. Okay, it is 3 4 5, it is 5 12 13, It is different, right? So that is why the angle is also different. So now you understand what is the inverse angle. This is another good thing, another important thing. And you also understand the Pythagoras formula. That is, sometimes you may need to find out the third side.
ও
Okay.
মারতে পারে না
So if you have this one as 67 degree, the angle y angle is 67 degree. So what will be the other angle?
Sir, 23 degree.
Sir,
So, so
23
this is
degree.
also, yes, so this is also easy to find out because all three angles will be 180 degree. This is the rule of a triangle. One angle is 90 degree, another angle is 67. So the third angle you can find out easily because all together it should be 180 degree. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that is another important thing we wanted to discuss. Now let me tell you another thing, what is called angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Another thing is called angle of depression. Angle of depression. Okay. Angle of elevation, angle of depression. Okay. Depression. Depression. Is this correct spelling? Yeah. Maybe double S or small s. Okay, no problem. So what is angle of depression, angle of elevation? So we need to know about that. The actually two angles are same. Actually two angles are same. Be careful. Two angles are same. Just the name is different. How they are same, you will understand how they are actually the same angle. So if you think that this is our ground, this is our ground, okay, so let us have the ground for both cases. So let us have one building, let us have one building here. Okay, so this is the building. So this is the building. There will be some window, okay, or door, something like that. So if there is something at the top of the building, if there is something at the top of the building, that will be seen by one person from the ground. Okay, so sorry, that will be seen by one person from the ground, and for that reason two names are different. Say there is something at the top, there is something at the roof, okay, on the roof, that is at the top of the building. Say there is a bird. Say there is a bird, okay. Say there is a bird. Okay, there is a bird at the top of the building. So somebody is watching that bird. Somebody is watching that bird. So somebody is watching that bird in a particular direction, like in this way. Say the person is seeing the bird from bottom to up, so this, what is the direction means it is going upward direction. That will be called angle of elevation. Which angle? The angle is this one. This angle will be the angle of elevation. Okay, so if you think about the same thing, but in a different way, it's like somebody is watching from the top. So that means at the top of the uh, building there is a person, okay, and that person is watching something here on the ground, something here on the ground. Say there is a dog. Say there is a dog, and the dog is here on the ground. So if the person is seeing the dog from the top, in that case, the angle will be called angle of depression. Angle will be called angle of depression. So what angle? What angle? Angle will be again the angle with horizontal line. Angle will be again the angle with horizontal line. So it is like this. So be careful about that. This is the angle of depression. So now you think about angle of elevation in the upper example or figure, and angle of depression in the lower example, lower figure. So don't you think they are the same thing actually? Do you understand they are the same angle?
Yes, sir.
If you think about the horizontal line here, so this angle and this angle are same, isn't it? And in the depression also, this angle and that angle are the same thing. So actually that is the point I told you. Someone is seeing upward, so the angle with the horizontal line will be angle of depression, elevation, because the person is seeing upward. Another case, the person is seeing downward, angle is with the horizontal line again. That is called angle of depression. But in both cases, the two angles are equal in size. Two angles are same. Okay. It is never ever. Be careful. It is never ever this angle. No this angle. No this angle. That is angle with the building is not depression, not elevation. Angle with the building is not considered. Angle with the horizontal line is always considered. Is that clear? Do you understand? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So that is all for today, and in the next class I will show you some real life calculation, some example problems like this, and also some triangle calculation.